All right, guys, so we have our first quiz tomorrow, and we're going to do amazing. But just in case you're needing a little bit of extra help with dimensional analysis, I know we did those problems together today, but I wanted to give you one more that the writing isn't backwards since the Chromebook did obviously not mirror that very well. So the problem we're going to work on is actually number 2 from our warm-up today. That is posted on Google Classroom, so if you wanted to see those examples on there, they're on there. If you're curious if you got the answer correct, all you have to do is type these things into Google and it'll give you the answer, so you can check your answers that way. But remember, we're looking for the format and we're making sure that you have it down how to solve these problems, not necessarily getting the right answer. So still make sure that you understand the format, because for tomorrow's quiz, I will expect you to show your work. That way when we get to these harder dimensional analysis problems, you still understand the format. So the problem we are going to do right now is 4,580 centimeters to feet. Yep. So we are converting centimeters to feet. And one thing that we do know, and you will have this on your conversion chart tomorrow, is we do know that I believe it is 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeters. So that is the conversion that you will know tomorrow, if this happened to be the conversion you were doing, and you would always have that on your conversion chart. So that's the one that you would kind of go to. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to write down what we're solving for, and we are solving for feet. So feet is equal to, that's where you should be so far. Go ahead and draw your line. Whatever's here must go here. So now we need to think about what we know. Remember, our whole goal is to eventually get to centimeters so that we can complete our conversion. So I know, now if I was given 1 inch is equal to 2.5 centimeters, I may not know how many centimeters are in a foot, but I do know how many centimeters are in an inch, and I can get to inches, and then once I get to inches, then I can try to get to centimeters. So 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. We know we're not finished because we're just in inches and our goal is centimeters. Your little multiplication symbol. Now, whatever's here must go here. And we know that 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeters. Now remember, today I told you that if you thought you were finished, you would be able to look back and realize that you made a mistake because you still haven't been able to cancel out your centimeters. So that's how you would know that you were still not finished if you made a mistake and tried to go ahead and complete it here. So now we're going to do another multiplication symbol. Whatever's here must go here. And that's when we look back at our original problem, 4,580 centimeters. We've successfully made it to centimeters. We don't need to go any further. Now, whatever's on the top needs to be multiplied together, and whatever is on the bottom. So 1 times 4,580 is 4,580. And 12 times 2.54 is 30.48. So if you missed where we got that, 1 times 4,580 is 4,580, and 12 times 2.54 is 30.48. Now we have a division problem. 4,580 divided by 30.48 gives you about 150 with rounding 0.3. Let's go back and get our units. Centimeters cancel out, inches cancel out, and we're left with feet. That's what we're solving for. So our problem is finished. If you're struggling with a problem tonight, maybe you're doing the practice sheet, maybe you're doing the warm-up questions from today, just shoot me an email. I should be available all evening. Just shoot me an email. I'll reply back to you. If you want to take a picture of your work and send it to me and let me check to make sure it's correct, I can do that too. So just send me an email if you need some help. Also, I'll be here at like 7 a.m. in the morning. So if you happen to get here around 7:30 and you'd like to come in here and let me do some one-on-one practice with you, just meet me in the classroom in the morning and we can do that. As always, let me know if you need help and have a wonderful evening.